there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Chloe by Envy. So before I do anything else, I want to tell you a little bit about this medium brown color. I think that most Envy colors are actually very dynamic. The blends tend to be quite coarse, and when we say that on our site, we mean that instead of it being such a fine blend that from far away they look like one color, they almost always look like they're almost highlighted. In this case, it's not quite as dramatic though. As you can see here, the base is sort of a medium golden brown, where the top here is mostly a light golden brown, but they're so close in terms of, you know, their actual tones that they just kind of melt into each other. It's very slight contrast. Very pretty, very natural looking, dynamic brown color. So Chloe is quite relaxed. She's got this very relaxed, sort of voluminous curl pattern. Definitely has a little bit of that old Hollywood thing going on in the front. I always love that. I like what Envy does with their, you know, sort of shortish, wavy-ish cuts, or the ones that have the really loose curls like Britney, is they've all got this kind of Hollywood thing going on the side. It's very pretty, it's very feminine. Let me go ahead and show you what Chloe looks like on all sides. Yeah, I like this one. I think that this one reminds me the most of something akin to like the Rosella by Beltress. It has a very similar front, but that one's much longer and it's heat friendly. This one is traditional synthetic, which means it'll last you a little bit longer. It's very relaxed all over, as I'm sure you could probably tell. This one does have a lace front, and because those knots are dark, you can see how they're distributed a little bit better. And it does have a monofilament side part here on the left. The coverage at my sideburns is all right. I'm wearing my glasses underneath this wig at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and take Chloe off for you now so I can show you the cap construction. Chloe has a contoured lace front with a left-hand monofilament side part. I know my left from right. And then it's got a little bit of permatease here on the side adjacent to the monofilament. We've got open wefts in the side and in the back, as well as an extended open nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. Elastic. And we have open ear tabs. So if they come down far enough, you can put your glass arms in between the wefts on the side there if you like. Here's a little look at that texture. Very relaxed. Very relaxed. Like I said, the only other line I can think of that comes quite this relaxed is maybe some of the Beltress styles. Like Columbia is another one that comes a bit like this. Really fun. Now, Envy wigs have quite a bit of hair in the front, and that's no exception here with Chloe. So you may have to play with her just a little bit to get the front to lay the way you want it. In this case, I basically just kept finger combing it until I got it where I wanted it. Because the curls on this one are not super duper curly. They're very loose, they're very relaxed, so you have to kind of coax them into the places you want them. A lot of wigs that have more tight waves or tight curls, or these shattered corkscrews, like they have so much texture that they kind of look very voluminous. This one is not really going to have that problem because she's so relaxed. Oh, another one this room reminds me of is Larissa SF, because Larissa SF by Belle Madame has such a relaxed pattern, and it also sits kind of sleek up against the head just because, you know, the texture really doesn't start until down here. So I like this one. I think Chloe is really, really cute. Now, the one in Vanilla Butter is nowhere near my bio hair color. So I'm just gonna have to play with it. And that's why planning your colors is so important, especially if you have hair anywhere. You have to make sure that, you know, this medium brown is lighter than my natural hair color, and it blended in pretty well. But on a color like this, that's not gonna blend in at all. So you might want to steer towards rooted colors if that's your situation. Likewise, if you have grays, you may want to aim for the non-rooted colors. So the front is 9 inches on Chloe. The crown down is 10.5, the sides are 8.75, and the nape is 5.25. Chloe is a 3.5 ounce wig. So yeah, I like this one. I think it's fun. I'd probably end up keeping it in the medium brown just because it blends in better with my sideburns. But I could see this one being cute in almost all of their highlighted colors or their rooted colors. I bet this one looks dynamite in cream coffee or sparkling champagne. So light blonde would probably look really cute in this one too, because the Envy Light Blonde is very dynamic. It's a very pretty color. So anyway, this has been my review of Chloe by Envy in 2 colors, vanilla butter and medium brown. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and yeah,